Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn how to write the alphabet. From the letter A to the letter E. Let's go! Let's start by writing the letter A. Draw a line all the way up, then another all the way down. Don't forget the middle line. This is the letter A. Now let's write the letter B. To write the letter B, draw a line all the way down. Draw a half circle, then another one all the way down. Well done! This is the letter B. Let's write the letter C. Writing the letter C is very easy. Draw a half circle, and it's done. This is the letter C. After the letter C comes the letter D. To write the letter D, draw a line all the way down. Then make a big belly, connecting end to end. This is the letter D. Finally, we have the letter E. To write the letter E, draw a line all the way down, then draw a line up top, a smaller line in the middle, and another line at the bottom. Check this out. It's very easy. This is the letter E. I hope you liked it, friends. Stay tuned for the next video. Lots of kisses. See you next time.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!